If your mugshot is still online after weeks of trying, you're wasting days, and here's how ReputationZilla removes it in 72 hours. Here's the problem. Most mugshot sites ignore takedown requests completely. Google your name plus mugshot right now and screenshot every result you find. Send one DMCA takedown to mugshots.com within 24 hours using their exact form. A hiring manager Googles your name before the final interview. Your mugshot from a 2019 charge that was dismissed shows up first. Within 48 hours, they ghost you and hire someone else. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to scrub mugshots from 200+ sites before they cost you the job, the loan, or the relationship. One mugshot can stay indexed for 8 years if you do nothing. Most people fail here. They email the mugshot site once and wait. The site never replies because they make money keeping your photo live. Do not assume silence means progress. You need proof of takedown within 7 days or the listing will stay forever. With ReputationZilla, we file takedowns to every site simultaneously, track responses, and escalate to legal notices when sites stall. Step 1. Identify every mugshot site hosting your photo. Run your full name through Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo. Write down the exact URL for each mugshot page. Most people find 4 to 12 sites. This takes 20 minutes, but it is the foundation of removal. Step 2. Send a removal request to each site using their exact takedown form. This is important. Each site has different rules. Mugshots.com requires a court document. Busted Mugshots charges $399 unless you prove expungement. Jailbase removes arrests older than 3 years for free if you send certified mail within 90 days. Here's the problem. Path A is doing this yourself. You spend 6 hours researching forms, $200 on certified mail, and 30 days waiting. Success rate is 40% because half the sites ignore you. Path B is ReputationZilla. We remove from 200+ sites in 72 hours, handle all paperwork, and guarantee takedown or refund. The advanced move is targeting Google search results directly while you wait for site removals. File a legal removal request with Google using their content removal form. Copy this exact wording into the description field. I am requesting removal of the following URL under right to be forgotten provisions because the arrest did not result in conviction and continuing to index this page causes ongoing harm to employment and housing opportunities. Attach your court dismissal PDF if you have one. Google reviews these in 3 to 5 business days and will delist the page from search even if the mugshot site refuses to take it down. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We handle Google de-indexing as part of the package. I am requesting removal of the following URL under right to be forgotten provisions because the arrest did not result in conviction and continuing to index this page causes ongoing harm to employment and housing opportunities. Screenshot every mugshot result you find today. Send takedown requests to each site this week. Stop wasting weeks. ReputationZilla removes them in 72 hours. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla at reputationzilla.org for the complete mugshot removal guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.